You are watching Liquid Vibes. Today I will show you how to make 2 rum cocktails, Blue Hawaiian and Rum Punch in just 2 minutes. So let's go and jump in. Take 2 mixing glasses and fill them with ice cubes. I will show you a quick technique so that you can make these cocktails in just 60 seconds like a pro. Perfect. Now pour 45 milliliters of dark rum for rum punch. Then 15 milliliters of grenadine, 30 milliliters of lemon juice, 45 milliliters of orange juice, and 45 milliliters of pineapple juice. Perfect. Now pour 45 milliliters of white rum for Blue Hawaiian. Then pour 30 milliliters of coconut milk, 30 milliliters of blue Curacao, and 60 milliliters of pineapple juice. Awesome! Now take a shaker and quickly shake both the cocktails. I hope you will love these 2 tropical cocktails. And please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting cocktails like these. You can note down the recipe from the description box. Now take 2 hurricane glasses and fill them with lots of ice cubes. You are watching Liquid Vibes. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to ask. I will be happy to hear from you. Perfect. Now quickly pour the mixture. Garnish with a slice of pineapple. The rum punch and the Blue Hawaiian cocktail is now ready for you. Cheers! Have a wonderful day.